In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change name on Facebook page. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Facebook on your device and head over to the Facebook page that you're currently managing or you have on Facebook. Now, once you're on your Facebook page, go ahead and head over to the menu section of Facebook. So since this is a new page, I'll be able to find this tutorial portion. I'll just go ahead and skip this part to be able to head over to the menu section of my Facebook page. Now in here, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen beside the search icon. Now on the settings and privacy page, go ahead and look for page setup. Click on page setup, and in here, go ahead and click on name. So as you can see in here, in this area, you'll be able to find all of the information that you have for your Facebook page. And to be able to rename your Facebook page, you'll need to click on the name section of the page setup and set the name of this page into your name of preference. Take note that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So make sure that you use the correct name for your Facebook page to be able to ensure that you won't be able to encounter issues in the future related to the name of your Facebook page. And that is how you can simply change your Facebook page name.